What's up, event marketers? I've got a massive smile on my face because the day has finally arrived. TikTok have rolled out a bunch of new event ad tools to help you sell out. And today I'm going to take you through the top 5. So the first thing they've done, they've rolled out advanced tracking options with Pixel, advanced matching, and events API. What the hell does that mean? It means that they're continuing down the path of copying everything that Meta does from an ads point of view. But hey, that's good news for us. Number 2, they've used signals like viewing content, adding to cart, and completing purchase. Again, does it seem similar to Meta ads? Absolutely, it is. Number 3, you can cross-match actions across dates, browsers, and platforms. So what's the context behind all of this? Well, basically what it means is that they can track behaviors across different browsers, across different devices, across different people's TikTok account, and match it all and stitch it together and make sure they track the whole buying journey, which means that the ads are so much more powerful than what they once were. I'm sure if you've dipped your toes in the water and you've tried TikTok ads before, you've thought, okay, we got a whole bunch of views, we got a lot of impressions, but where's the sales? I can't see anything. Or even if you have set up some sales campaigns and you've run them, your cost per sale is generally quite high. So now, because of the power of all this technological stuff that's been done in the back end, you don't really need to know the ins and outs of it. You just need to know that it's a lot more powerful and it's very similar to Meta ads. You're going to be able to track sales in a similar way that Meta ads do, which means the cost per ticket sale for you is going to absolutely plummet. So if you haven't started using TikTok ads yet, which is fair enough, I would absolutely suggest that you do so and start dipping your toes in the water. Then what you want to do is make sure that you're always using advanced matching. So number 4, because upcoming in the next couple of years, there are going to be some cookie restrictions. Again, don't need to know the technical side of it, but there's going to be some cookie restrictions rolling out. They're going to be tightening the privacy screws as they keep doing. But if you keep doing the advanced matching, that's basically just a backdoor for Meta and TikTok and these guys to be able to stitch all the data together. So make sure you keep doing that on both Meta and TikTok as well. And number 5, and I'm sure you've seen this, you can now use Eventbrite directly through TikTok. So people can actually buy a ticket from inside the TikTok platform. Now, this is, in my opinion, a really nice to have feature, and it's a much better user journey. It's quicker, it's faster, it's more simple. I wouldn't say that it is some revolutionary new thing. It just means it's a better journey for the user to be able to use Eventbrite. So if you don't use Eventbrite, don't freak out. If you do, it's absolutely a great nice to have, and it will really help your sales. But if you don't, it's not the end of the world. So if you guys need a hand with setting up your TikTok ads or anything like that, drop me a line, reply to the email, hit me up on YouTube or Instagram, and we can have a chat because it's something that our team absolutely specializes in. I will see you guys next week.